Cool Kid XD just said, go F yourself. Hey guys, it's me Norie, and today I'm going to be reacting to my hate comments, and they're mostly on my most popular video, which is my bangs video, and it has 1.7 million views. Thank you guys so much. So obviously there's going to be some weird comments, but if you haven't watched it, you probably have. That's probably how you found me, but if you haven't, I'll link it down below and you can watch it after. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first off, I have a few that are in a different language. I kind of understand the Spanish comment. They said, Dios, esta chica nunca aprende. Vea una puta. I know that word. Peruquería de una vez. I'm sorry, my Spanish is awful, but I can kind of get the idea that they're not very happy with my video. This person said,
how do not even know how to use an effing curling iron? Like you were literally curling your bangs upward. Were you just trying to F this up?
Honestly, I genuinely thought that I could curl my bangs with a curling iron. I know that's not true now, but I don't know, I've never curled bangs before, so. This person said, I'm sorry to say this, but even Coconut Head has better bangs than you. I do have to admit, Coconut Head has pretty good bangs. Here we go, this person's mad. They said,
WTF is wrong with you? You obviously don't know what you're doing. There's something called a hairdresser, dumbass. Now you look ugly as hell. You're stupid, Brittany. Watching your videos make me cringe so bad because you're stupid as B-word who doesn't think before she does things.
It's honestly kind of funny. There's a lot of people that are very mad, even though it's my hair. I feel like they care more about my hair than I do. But yeah. Thanks, I guess? I don't know. I just want to mention this comment. This person just said umbrella. Just nothing else. No other context. Just umbrella. Then this person said,
you're so overacting so much. You're so picky. You're not pretty. Don't be pathetic.
You're right. Honestly, sometimes I just feel pathetic. Or pathetic. That's all. I just feel pathetic. That's all. Plamena just says,
girl, you pissing me off.
I'm sorry. I'll try to do better. This person just said,
you suck. Laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji.
oh my god, this one was so funny. I just had to send it to my friend. This person said,
you simple bitch.
Which is so funny because they're playing off my username. I just thought it was so funny. That should be my new name.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Simple Bitch.
Cool Kid XD just said,
go F yourself.
Simple but deadly. She knew she messed up and still can't even read it.
She knew she messed up and still continued to cut it. Dumbass.
Oh my god, I love this one.
You look like Humpty Dumpty.
I can't argue with you on that. I do feel like I look like Humpty Dumpty sometimes. Most of the time, actually. This person said,
bro, just go get it done at a hair cuttery. Damn.
What is a hair cuttery? What the heck is that? I'd like to go, actually. It sounds kind of fun. This person said,
it's like that because you twisted it, dumb bitch.
Honestly, there's a lot of profanity. I don't appreciate that, guys.
What's your profanity?
And then there's just some racist comments like,
and they say Chinese people are the smartest. What? And learn about how our stuff works.
I'm not Chinese, but okay. Guardians Gaming Zone with Chicken Little as the profile pic just said,
stupid.
It really hits deep when Chicken Little says it to me. Because he was like my idol, and it just really hurts that he said I was stupid. But I think I'm gonna be okay. No, I'm not. I think that's all the comments that I'm gonna look at today. That was only like a month's worth from last month or something. But there's probably a ton more, but I can't take any more emotional trauma. Honestly, it's really getting to me, and I don't know, like the hate is really getting to me, and I don't know, I think I'm just really hurt right now. I'm just kidding. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure to leave a like if you want more videos like that, and comment down below, and subscribe because I post weekly. I also want to shout out Julie T on Instagram because she follows me on Instagram and is liking my photos. So yeah, thank you. Oh, also make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at SimpleBXX. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
And said these words, maybe another time we could be together. I've got my heart set on a girl that I've loved for